Hello guys, it's Musha and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I am sharing with you my DIY powerhouse hair growth formula. And yeah, I'm going to be sharing with you how I mix my hair growth formula. So obviously most of you know all of these products in here. I'm using my wild growth hair oil, my do grow sulfurate and castor oil, and some virgin hair fertilizer. And then I'm just using this empty tub. That's the one I'm going to be using to put all these ingredients inside. So I'm starting off with a do grow, and I'm just using like a teaspoon, sorry. It just depends on how much you want. I'm just making sure that I just only use the amount that I'm going to need for the time being. I am planning on using this for a month, so obviously I will keep you guys updated. I just want to see how this goes. So yeah, and obviously going on to the old favorite, which is virgin hair fertilizer. We all hate and love this one because of the smell, and yeah. But yeah, just squeeze that in there, just mix it all in. And then I'm using the rosemary castor oil. I use this one because of its scent, yeah, just to cover up the smell. And obviously the one and only wild growth hair oil. We've been raving about this one on my channel recently. And yeah, all you have to do now is just mix until you get the right consistency. You can add more or less oils to this, just depending on how you want it to be. I didn't want it to be too runny, and that's it. Like, just mix it and you're done. And yeah, so I know you guys always like to see me applying this stuff onto my hair, so here we go. I recently took out my cornrows, and yeah, my hair is currently in twists, so I will put it back in cornrows because it makes things easier to apply. So yeah, I didn't have a mirror here, and I was just eyeballing everything, just trying to make sure that I got it in the right places, got it in, in all the lines that I had on my head. And that's basically what I was doing all over the place. And I will be doing this on a daily basis just to see if it actually helps. But we all know, like, these products are all meant to help our hair grow, to boost our growth. And so that's what I'm doing. And because you know that I am on a growth journey as of this year, I am trying to grow my hair. So yeah, I'm looking for any remedies that will help me. And yeah, so I decided to share all these remedies with you guys. Hopefully you enjoy and you will try this out. Let me know in the comment section below. Have you tried it, or are you going to try it as well? Yeah, anyway, yeah, that's all I'm doing basically, and then that's it. Honestly, it's that simple. So I'll be doing this every day. And then yeah, thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video with anybody who might find it interesting, and I will see you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.